It's actually the refreshment corner, but it's in the same area.
And it's hot dogs. Well, we're just going to see what they do. Well, will they have a vegetarian hot dog? I'm guessing the answer will be no, but one can pray. Okay, it's a hot dog, a cheese dog, French fries. But what a bigger case is this is.
Huge.
Oh, shall we get a drink while we're here? We're just about to queue for the money shot. But I'm here. We did it. We're in Disneyland, Tokyo Disneyland. Can you believe it? I can't believe we're actually here. Oh my word. And this is the centre. There it is behind me. I think my dream's come true today. It's magnificent. Let's go and get a photo. There's so much land here. Look at it, it's huge. It's amazing. It really is amazing. Yeah. What an incredible park. Oh my. Really falling in love. Interesting fact, we've just seen a couple in front of us try and do a photo, and you're not allowed to do that on the Magic Maker over here. It's not Magic Maker as in you get it free. When you ticket, you have to go and buy the photos. Same principle, you get a card, but they're not allowed to do kissing photos, so you've been let off lightly.
This is a Magic Maker.
Well, no, okay. Okay. We're here.
We made it. Where are we?
We're in Disneyland, Tokyo. Tokyo Disneyland.
Tokyo Disneyland, we are, yes.
Come and join us for the day. Thank you. Bye. Going to Pirates of the Caribbean.
So it's very similar to California.
The layout is for sure, isn't it?
Definitely, yeah.
Our first ride experience of haunted mansion.
Yes, it did. We don't know how many we'll get on, but this is only a 20-minute wait, and it's 4 PM, so...
10 AM. We didn't get up that late, really.
Yeah. This is the queue for Pirates of the Caribbean, and we're actually in, it looks like, obviously with the stairs, that we may well be in a home, a house, a captain's property.
Could even be a haunted mansion, but I can't see any haunting going on.
Ghostly ship, tails, well done, Karen. But yes, this is a first. Yes, but it's not a big enough ship for... It could be the captain's quarters, a very big quarters. It's a very big quarters if it's on a very big ship. I don't know if they have stairwells.
Who did? Oh, the English actor's name. Not Keira Knightley. Not Jack Sparrow. In the movie.
Are you trying to...
Orlando Bloom. I can't believe you didn't know that. Wasn't he really? Well, couldn't this have been his actual name?
May well have been. It's very cool. It's very interesting. Yeah.
Do you want to wave? Do you want to say hello?
Oh, hi. Hi.
Ahoy, Captain Jack. I smells me some rum. Rum in my tum. Oh. Really amazing. Oh, I can hear a voice, I can't see you. There you are.
It's so different, yeah, to Paris, California, Florida.
Gotta come if you can. We've just come off Pirates of the Caribbean and we'll video next time. It's our first time and it's very dark, so we wanted to make sure we're sitting on the front of the boat so that we can pirate ship. Are we a boat, a pirate ship?
No, it's like a boat that takes you to shore. Yeah, so it's, yeah.
Is that your terminology?
No, I think others would agree. It's a boat that you
well,
would
anyway,
put in the ocean and take you to the shore so you can go and rampage.
Rummage and pillage?
Yeah.
No. Is that rampage? Is that a word, rampage? Or is that one you made? Boat is a word.
I like it.
Okay, so we've come out and we're finding ourselves in New Orleans. Let me show you all the way around. So, you've got your pirate treasure there, which is where we've just come out of. Here you've got the Blue Bayou restaurant, which is very very nice food, and it was what, 4,200 yen for adults, but it is a set menu. And then you've got Blue Bayou gift shop, but I'll take you so you can have a look at the menu. And the great thing is the menus are in both Japanese and in English. So this is quite a good one for vegetarians because you've got the vegetable and soy milk quiche served with sautéed vegetables. I'd really like that. And the pecan pie served with vanilla ice cream. So maybe we'll do that another day, I don't know. But the price there is 4,200 and it's a set 3-course meal. And then for the younger folks, for children, you can't see an age there. It's a child set menu. Oh, for 12 and younger. So, yeah. On we go with our adventures. Pirates, me hearties. Let's see what else little treasures we find.
We've just had our first, well, we haven't had our first ice cream, we've just purchased our first ice creams here.
I'm just putting it all away right then. So Phil's had the mango, so you can try that in a minute. But I have had, because I've got the stationery at home, I shouldn't tell you these things, but I've had the orange, I think it's orange, no, it's a tropical fruit ice bar, and I've been told that these are the most wonderful things ever.
And Karen, let me order this one. I will let you to a little secret. I don't know whether it looks like a Mickey bar. I did say to Karen, the Mickey one.
You said mango.
Oh, Mickey and mango. Maybe they sound the same, because I thought my Mickey was in there without reading the packaging, and I thought that was for Karen. I thought, actually, the packaging looks so much nicer than the actual ice cream inside. But as you can see, Karen's tucking in. She's not going to go and exchange mine, but at least it gives me an excuse to
exchange food.
I was kidding, but at least we can actually have another Mickey. There we go. 1 bite, 2 bites. Verdict?
You'd hate it.
Was you tempted to bite it?
No, because of my teeth. Sensitive teeth.
I think that's always funny though when you film people who have sensitive teeth. Very nice. You just pass it over for 3 seconds.
Because I don't want the bit with your slobber on.
Oh, I'm supposed to be biting it. I thought she'd pass it over on a guilt note.
Here. You can bite it. No, you trust me, your mouth was bigger than that.
Now, it looks like the merchandise. Sorry, I haven't swallowed it. That's what I was trying to do. Sorry, that sounded weird, but I've just swallowed that.
You are weird.
I'm going to turn the camera off because I know that she's being decadent.
So go on then, what's the mango one like?
It actually looks like a piece of mango.
Okay, so what's the mango one like? It looks like mango.
It looks like a piece of mango. It's very clever.
Go on then.
I don't actually eat a lot of mango. I prefer pineapple, melon. So, I'm ready for the taste test.
Oh, I can put this in my mouth.
She's shoving hers in.
Do you like it?
It's lovely. It is the shape of a slice of mango, which I just saw. It was just an ice bar. Oh, did I actually turn around and say have a bite?
I think you've actually got frozen mango. That's frozen mango. Yeah, it says frozen. Look, the clue is there. It says frozen mango. You've got a slice of frozen mango. That's your fruit quota
You should
for today.
actually read the packaging. Not only is it in Japanese, it's also in English. I'm so carried away with the colours and the packaging, I just didn't read. But yes, it is a piece of frozen mango. New experience, new adventures.
I don't know what land we've just come into. Do you know where we are?
No, every corner there's a surprise.
They're doing ball games there again, $500, but for that one you get like little tags, like little pin tags, but they're not pins, so you attach them to things. Oh, look up there, you've got the Easter. Another little shop. Hi. The bazaars. Oh, there's a jungle cruise over there. What's the wait time? Come on then, let's go on a cruise. Bye.
How beautiful.
It is really beautiful with a temple over there. Amazing. Hi! Let's go so quickly. Come with us. Come on. Look at this. It's huge. And it just doesn't feel. You don't feel claustrophobic.
They're not real, are they? Yeah.
あちらのバナナお買い求めいただくと生きたワニがついてきます。ちょっとスリリングなおやつに最適ですね。ぜひお子様にいかがですか？こちらでは離れたシマヨコさんがライオンさんに出ています。
You might have noticed that 5 minutes of the intro was missing there on that ride. Something to do with me recording it, but having forgotten to press the record button.
But we enjoyed it.
Oh, what can I smell? I can smell something amazing. it a lunch shop? What is it? It's amazing. Or is it the popcorn? Filled popcorn, I think.
It's a
Caramel
lunch
popcorn.
show, so maybe they give you a lunch show.
Possibly, that's in the Polynesian Terrace. But this caramel, this is definitely caramel popcorn. Oh yeah, caramel popcorn. Shall we have some?
We definitely are.
We're just queuing for the tiki room with Stitch. I'm so excited. So excited.